The Wgkok Cordless Leaf Blower offers unmatched mobility with its 21-volt electric cordless design, freeing you from the constraints of cords during your lawn care or outdoor cleaning tasks. Equipped with two powerful 2 ampere-hour batteries and a charger, this leaf blower ensures you can tackle extensive yard work without interruptions. The device features 5 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to customize the airflow for both light cleaning tasks and more challenging jobs like clearing leaves from your patio or driveway. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, reducing arm fatigue during prolonged use, which is beneficial for users of all ages. This versatile tool is perfect for maintaining the cleanliness of your garden, yard, or patio, effectively removing leaves, dirt, and debris from various surfaces. Thanks to its long-lasting battery life, you can rely on this leaf blower to power through extended outdoor projects without the need for frequent recharging.